till date with the best of the questions by best educators with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening, friends. Good evening, Shubhasri. Good evening, Jaskaran. Good evening, Satyajit. And good evening, Sneha. Good evening, Kavita Priya. And good evening, Samir Kumar. Yeah, good evening, friends. Welcome to Unacademy, which is the largest online education platform for GATE, CS, and IT. Yeah, in this session, we are going to see all-in-one practice on theory of computation. In case if you have any problem with audio, please let me know. Yeah, right. Fine, guys. Yeah, good evening, Aditya. Good evening, Anubhav. Good evening. Right. So I work as an educator on an academy, and I have a lot of experience in teaching GATE classes, where you can follow my classes on an academy. Just wait, guys. I have some issue. Fine. You can find out various sessions on an academy which are free sessions: TOC, C, compiler, discrete maths, and algorithms, and so many free sessions are there. Okay, in case if you are interested to learn from me, you can visit my profile and use DEVALIVE referral code to access the free classes and to get 10% discount on Unacademy too. And if you want to visit Unacademy, you can use unacademy.com/DevaGateCSE. Yeah, is that voice audio low? Kavita Priya, come on. And if you don't know about Plus and Iconic subscriptions, I'm there to help you here. We will have live classes as well as crash courses and doubt solving sessions, weekly tests. Here live sessions are interactive. Yeah, interactive. So you will enjoy a lot attending live classes because of the immediate response from an educator when you are sitting in front of the interface, and you can ask the doubt anytime. Yeah, good evening, Nishu. And Iconic, already you have the Plus, very good subscription plan. Why do you go for Iconic? In case you do not aware of how to prepare for exam and you need a support of coach or guide, then this is the best plan for you. We are going to help you to crack the exam by giving the booster sessions and separate study plan, separate material and analysis of every test that you attempt. So this is going to help you for facing the exam. And this is my URL www.unacademy.com/DevaGateCSE, where you can access all quizzes that I have conducted, all-in-one sessions and special topics, daily practice problems, and so many. Yeah, and PYQ series for many subjects too. And this is Unacademy learning app. If you are using mobile, you can go to Play Store and you can install and you can right away access all the videos using mobile. That's the best advantage, guys. And what is the advantage of joining Unacademy either for free classes or taking the Plus or Iconic subscription? You will get an access to top educators here. You can see that. Yeah. So if you are preparing for GATE and ESE, no doubt Unacademy is the best platform to learn. And in case if you are not aware of how to choose, click on choose GATE and ESE goal and before that login. In case you need any code, you can use DEVALIVE as a referral code and click on get subscription. If you are interested for Plus or Iconic, you can look at, there are various benefits are there. Just now I described. So if you are interested Plus or Iconic, you can see that Plus there are very popular plans, like I'm just talking about 1 year, 1.5 year, 2 years, but you have so many other plans too. So based on your interest, just look at the prices and opt for the proper plan that you require. But we always recommend go for 1 or 2 years or 1.5 years and use DEVALIVE in case you need any referral code to get a discount. And Iconic, we have two very popular plans, 1 and 2 years. You can see the price 45,225 and 66,600. These are the two various popular plans. Okay, in case if you are not aware of the new pages on Unacademy, yeah, you can see that 21st December onwards new batches started for electronics and electrical, and 28th December onwards mechanical and civil is going to start, means from tomorrow, and CS and IT we will announce soon once the plan is ready. Yeah, in case if you want to attend tomorrow my free classes, 8 AM you can attend the connectivity graph theory concepts. I'm going to explain for 2 hours, and the 2 PM anyhow 11 AM I have another session, that is a plus course, and 2 PM I'm going to take for 1 hour algorithm session, which is dynamic programming, and 3:15 PM you can attend 3:15 that's analysis on discrete mathematics, which is the test series discussion, guys. And 4th day I will come back here, TOC discussion, GATE PYQ series is going on. I think it is the 6th session, and 6 PM I'll be taking one special session which is also free on Unacademy, the what is independent set covering and matching. Yeah, good evening Pratiksha. Sai Prakash, yes. Yeah, good evening everyone. Let's look at how we are going to practice now. An entire syllabus I have considered. Let's do one by one. We have one problem, X, W, Y, W, Z. And here there are two variations, guys. You must focus on what is this star. Everybody, what is this star? If it is old plus, the answer is going to be different. First we will answer for the star. If you have this star, what you can do? There is something looks like which is repeated, W. You can put epsilon, and X, Y, Z you can put anything. So it looks like you can write X, Y, Z, or you can write X, you can write Y, you can write Z, which all gives you A plus B whole star. Once you have A plus B whole star, everybody, A plus B whole star, it is regular. I am showing that A plus B whole star, all the strings are derived from this language. So language gonna be what? The regular, but not finite. It is the regular language. But in case, if I modify the question, assume that I am modifying the same question, guys. Now instead of star, I take plus. Then what do? Here I have taken plus. Then what is the answer? Still it is regular. Still it is regular. But how do you understand that problem? How do you understand that problem? Now it is not going to be A plus B whole star. Minimum string is the file length. Look at that. Here one length minimum, one length, one length, one length, one length. Minimum file length comes out. Minimum file length. But not every file length also. Then how do you understand? You are going to put minimum W. Put minimum W. In this form, what happens to X, W, Y, W, Z? X, minimum W is here either A or B. W is either A or B. So how do you get that? X, A, Y, A, Z, or X, B, Y, B, Z. So here what is going to be expression? Now you take any W. Take any other W and substitute. That form, whatever that form, is definitely covered here. No doubt about it. Because of that X, Y, Z, this is going to be your answer. So what is actual answer expression? x is a plus b whole plus a and y is a plus b whole plus a, z is a plus b whole plus. This is for when you put w is a. Similarly, when you put w is b, the same thing, a plus b whole plus b, a plus b whole plus b, a plus b whole plus. Now you take any w, ask me is it covered or not? Definitely it is covered in this expression. So you have to believe. You have to, it's not finite, Mahendra. It's gonna be regular language. It is infinite, yeah. Whole plus represent here infinite. Anyhow, the language is regular but not finite. Everybody, in both the cases, whether you take plus or star, the converted result is going to be a regular. Yes. Clear, guys? If you are watching this video, please like the session. Yeah, thank you so much. Can we go to the next question? Right? Yeah, second one. A power m, b power n such that m is even, n is even. Yes. What is going to be answer? Come on, guys. Is it regular or non-regular? I'm waiting for your answer. Come on. Again regular. Good answer. Good answer. Again regular. Why again regular? Now look at, this is exactly same as a power even, b power even, but we didn't say anywhere m is equal to n, m not equal to n, m less than n, right? Everybody, it's just the expression is double a whole star and double b whole star. Everybody, I can write so many names, guys, for this problem. In the exam, you do not know. Do they ask like this only? We really do not know. W is belongs to A star, B star, comma, number of A's of W is equal to even and number of B's of W is even. I can also ask the same problem some other way. Did you see that? Now W is not belongs to A plus B whole star. It's now representation is different. W inside A star, B star form only. The string you should take from A star, B star. Everyone? Clear? यार शिवा को इंडिपेंडेंस मिल गया यार. इंडिपेंडेंट बोल रहा है. इंडिपेंडेंट वर्ड यूज नहीं करना. डिपेंडेंसी हुआ तो बोलो. देयर इज नो यूज ऑफ वर्ड इंडिपेंडेंट. समझ लो प्रॉब्लम को समझ लो. ठीक है. So if anybody want to design a DFA, they may ask how many states required for DFA, guys. Anybody can answer? How many states? My question is, how many states? That is possible to be a GATE question. How many states in minimum DFA? Come on, guys. How many states in minimum DFA for the same L? Let's see who can answer that. I'm waiting for your answer, guys. 4 states? Oh, is it 2 into 2? No. That's a blunder mistake. Just Karan. Is it really 4 states? I have to explain something for you, just Karan. Anyone else? How many states? Come on, guys. Sorry. Anyone? 5. 5 is the right answer. Let's look at 5 is the right answer. See, first you have to understand ace only comes first, right? So you must write ace is even first. The next A's can come odd. So when one A comes, go there, other A comes, come back. But B can come from only even A. Yes or no? Only B can come from here. Because you want even A's and even B's. Everybody, if you don't want B, you can also accept epsilon. You can also accept epsilon. When odd B comes, here A's already even, we know that. But now B's is just odd. Now to understand the B's is also even, now we are going to create one more state that is going to be final. That is going to be final because there A's even, B's odd comes, but A's is even already happened. Everybody, now here look at now A's is even, A's is odd. From A's odd, B should not come. So there is a one dead state required for you. How do you require that? Why do you require it? And when do you need a dead? Because after B, A should not come. If A comes here, A comes here, and from odd A, B should never come. And how many states needed, guys? Whenever I am in final, even B's is also even here, but order is very important. Order is very important. After A's only B should come. Everybody, कितना states लगी? कितना states लगी अभी? Come on guys, how many states needed? Somebody saying 6, somebody saying 3. पता नहीं कैसे आता 3. Yes. Everybody? Come on. Anybody is not following the language? First write language, you will understand. Epsilon accepted, and double A accepted, double B accepted, and next guys, all 4 A's accepted, and all 4 B's accepted, double A, double B accepted, such strings only accepted. But A's followed by B's only should be there. Everybody? So do not, select the wrong option when you are in a position that you can do 5 states. If I ask in minimum NFA, then 4 states. Because dead state not compulsory, right? Right. In DFA, in NFA, you can say 4 states in minimum NFA. Everybody? Clear this point? Yes, great. Can we go to the next question? Fine. Come on guys. What is L2 minus L1? L2 means the language generated by given expression. L1 means language generated by given expression. From L2, if you delete L1 strings, what gonna be a language? None. Come on guys. Who else? None. Come on. Okay, once you have answered 3A, D. Epsilon. Oh. Pranav, is it epsilon? L2 minus L1, is it epsilon? You will get pi, not epsilon. You will get a pi. How? Because L2 has A plus B plus. What L1 has? You have epsilon, you have A plus, you have B plus, you also have A plus B plus. So from L2, if you delete these strings, then complete A plus B plus is deleted. Empty set. Exactly. None is the answer. But also know exactly what is the reason. Okay, the same question, if I modify L1 minus L2, what is the answer, guys? Do it. Do it. Option A, epsilon. Option B, A star. Option C, B star. Option D, A star plus B star. Option E, none. Let's look at what you choose now. Yes, good, good. We are following. Great, fantastic job. You understood immediately that point. Empty set बोलो, empty string नहीं बोलना, ठीक है. Next, come on, come on. I'm asking next question. Epsilon AB? Oh my god. Oh. Nobody answered. One person answered. Satyajit answered correctly so far. Only the Satyajit answered so far correctly. Come on, guys. Okay. Tell me, L1 के अंदर what are the strings are there? L1, you know, A plus, B plus, minus. Oh, sorry. A star, B star. A star, B star. Okay, let me write again. I was just going to the previous one. Okay, L1 के अंदर A star, B star. This is L1 minus L2. A plus, B plus. Now focus on what is L1. L1 epsilon is there. A plus is there. Just now I have written, right, guys? B plus is there. And A plus B plus is there, and from that just you delete A plus B plus. What is left? What is left? Yes, L2 minus L1. Epsilon कहाँ से यार? Tejas. Guess L2 minus L1 epsilon होगा क्या? Do you have epsilon here? Do you have epsilon here? If you don't have epsilon in the left set, how can you get in the right result? Right. थोड़ा दिमाग अप्लाई कर लो तेजस. लेफ्ट साइड L2 के अंदर एप्सिलॉन ही नहीं है, तो एप्सिलॉन कहाँ से आएगा रिजल्ट? L2 माइनस L1 में एप्सिलॉन कहाँ से आएगा? चलो, D is the answer. Q, this is equal to epsilon plus A plus B plus. You can write A star plus B star. Epsilon you can keep in A along with A plus along with B plus. It looks like now A star plus B star. Yes, this is equal to, you can write so many answers. A star plus B star. You can even write A star plus B plus also. Right. Come on, quick. Don't do the mistakes. When there is no epsilon, how can you say in the L2 minus L1 epsilon? यहाँ पे epsilon ही नहीं है, result में कैसे आएगा epsilon यार? Everybody? Come on, इनको दिखाता हूँ पूरा बिल्कुल आंसर कैसे दिखना चाहिए. Okay, let's look at those people who have not understood the first point. Okay, let's look at L2. We have A plus B plus means AB, double AB, A double B, such strings, minus L1. L1 के अंदर epsilon, A plus, B plus, ऐसे. So when you take this one and delete, all the strings are deleted, ये पाई बचेगा ना, एप्सिलॉन कहाँ से बचेगा यार? ठीक है, got it. Okay, let's move on. Don't waste time on one question. Okay. Great. Which of the following is true? L1 A star plus B star, and this is a very, very important question for the exam. Good. Nice. C. Great. Come on, come on. There are many questions are there to practice today, guys. Yes, Atul, correct. Yeah, so you have understood. Yes. Theorem based. Yeah, theorem कहाँ से आया प्रणव? L1 is A star plus B star. L2 is A star B star. And when you apply L1 star, which is equal to A star plus B star whole star, and when you apply L2 star is equal to A star B star whole star, then both are equal to what? A plus B whole star. That L1 star equal to L2 star equal to A plus B whole star. But when somebody asks about L1, L2, guys, L1, L2, this is wrong. The reason is the L2 is a superset of L1. Equal nahi hai, guys. And L1 union L2, L1 union L2, A plus B whole star nahi banega. L1 union L2, L1 union L2 is equal to L2 hona chahiye because L2 is a superset. And this is right because that is equal to A plus B whole star. Everybody? Yeah, very, very interesting and important question for us. Yeah, good evening, Sumant. L1 is subset of L2, correct. Yeah. Can we move to the next question? Yes, yes. Oh my God. Turing question, guys. Multiple answers may be correct. I do not know. You have to find out. Multiple answers may be correct. Come on, come on. This is undecidability question. In case if you are not aware, let's look at how to understand this question. Yeah, Satyajit, jaldi. बहुत जल्दी किया. Good, good. So far only Satyajit did right answer. BC. Oh my God. ये D. ये होगा तो D कहाँ से आया तेजस? डिसाइडेबल होगा तो नॉट आ जाए बोलते क्या? A. This was also a gate question. Remember that anybody is ignoring this question, you are ignoring the gate also indirectly because already this is the gate question. But I have taken specially to explain this. Yes. And this is the language. Now you need to find out the logic for whether given TM takes at least I'm talking about not halves, 100 moves on all strings, on all inputs. This is the question. If you can show that there is an algorithm for this problem, then you will also have an algorithm for L. Yes, good Satyajit. Now, have you remembered how to say yes, how to say no? S means TM takes at least 100 moves on all inputs. How do you prove that? Just check every string. Check every string up to 99 length only. Up to 99 length. Because remaining strength will follow this 99 only. Check every string up to 99 length. If every string takes, I am saying not halts, takes 100th move, then stop. How many strings are there up to 99 length? Finite. So every string we will just verify once it reaches 100th move, stop. So all the strings up to 99 lengths check. Up to 99 length, guys. Every string. there are finite strings up to 99 length. And if every string takes 100th move, that means that TM takes at least 100 moves. Yes, 99 is enough because more than 99 length, they follow the prefix property. 100 length also, the first 99 symbols already we understood. Then if that takes 100th move, then 100th length also it will take 100th move minimum. Yes, no means, again same, check. Up to 99, if any string up to 99 length takes, or simply instead of takes guys, halts. Say that, halts. If any string halts in less than 100 moves, then whole algorithm stops. We don't check even the next string guys. If any string up to 99 length, when we are verifying 0 length, 1 length, 2 length, in case 2 length somebody halts, then over answer, it will not go to the 100th move. Then we say, no, that TM doesn't take minimum 100 moves for every input. Everybody? Yes. Clear this point? So we have a logic. We have a logic for yes and no. This problem is decidable. If this problem is decidable, every decidable is a semi-decidable. Because semi-decidable, another name only, REL. Clear this point? Yes. Yeah, good. And Shiva, difference between A plus B whole star and A star plus B star, Satyajit already explained, please follow him. Yeah. Clear this point? A and B right answer. But if they are strict answer, then decidable is the strict answer guys, because you answer semi-decidable automatically. Strict answer is A, and all possible answers here A and B. Because we know every recursive language is REL. Decidable, another name is recursive. So you have to say recursive is REL. Fine. Next, this is the gate question guys. This is the gate question already. And also I'm giving a hint guys, instead of takes, if the word is there, halts after 100 moves. Very, very difficult question guys. Try it. Okay, let's move on. What is the language generated by the given grammar? And you should know that. I'm not given the options. Let's look at what is an expression. I want regular expression guys. Write regular expression. Find regular expression. Using our shortcut that I have explained in the classes. Find regular expression. शिवम घर जाके चेक कर लो. If false then चेक कर लो. पहले प्रॉब्लम डिफाइन कर लो. हाल्स नहीं होता, पहले फ्रेम कर दो सेंटेंस को. ठीक है. Already I am making the problem. Now you are asking the answer to me. Come on. Try the next problem. We have a lot of questions. Consider the following grammar. How to generate the language? Good. Shubhasri says the contains A. Shubhasri says contains A guys. Look at. Anybody else? One answer we got. Containing A as a substring. We have every string that containing A as a substring. Yes, Shiva is right. Jaskaran says starts with A. Oh, is it? S to BS nahi dikh raha? You can also start with B. Okay, so good. Now we always go, you know that my method. Always we reach S last. So B का language find out करेंगे इसका A plus B whole star. ये तो सबको मालूम है. How do we do that? And capital A is nothing but the small a followed by capital B. Capital B already we computed. A plus B whole star. And now we have to find out the final concept. What is S? A plus B whole star. And that S we have to replace with A. And A already we have computed. That is A followed by A plus B whole star. when we substitute A, this is containing A as a substring, at least one A. So many names, guys. You can write as a language. Sorry, what I am writing. Sometimes I do that. L is equal to W such that W belongs to A comma B whole star, and what is that? Number of A's of W greater than or equal to 1. You can do that. Everybody? W containing A. You can guarantee that by saying at least one A. Yeah, it's a star, not a plus. Yes, Atul. Yeah, correct. Everybody? Yeah. So you should be careful, guys. In the exam, you will be having very, very easy grammars. You should write the language very quickly. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. Very interesting. Closure properties related? Yeah. L1, L2 are two finite languages. What is L1 dot L2? Good, guys. Guys, if you're watching this video, please like the session, guys. I can see that likes are less than the number of live users. If you are enjoying, please like the session. Thank you so much. Exactly, Pranav. No, Pranav. इनका ये कहना है, अगर एप्सिलॉन नहीं दिया, कैपिटल बी एम्प्टी करता ना, ए प्लस यहाँ पर ए और बी होना चाहिए. इफ यू वांट टू राइट ए प्लस बी होल प्लस, वहाँ पर ए और बी होना चाहिए. कम ऑन, हु इज दैट प्रणव? ये गलती ऐसे करोगे? कैपिटल बी, इतना गलती किया तो यार क्या होगा? ठीक है, समझ लो बात. Finite dot finite. Finite language, ये finite set dot finite set क्या होता? हमेशा finite ही होगा. Everybody? Yes, finite. Now I am asking the question opposite. ये इसलिए लाया to make a new question here. If L1 dot L2 is a finite set, result I am talking about, then can you say something about L1 and L2? Then what is L1 and L2? Are they finite? Are they infinite? What can be the answer for you for that L1, L2? Come on, guys, a new question for you. Let's see who will answer that. I'm waiting for your answers. So many answers are there, but how to answer them? Come on. I want color, okay. Which is the best now? Red? Okay, let's see. Both finite? Oh my god. Exactly. L1 can be finite if it's 5. Both are finite, maybe finite. Look at first point. If L1 is equal to pi, then L2 can be any, whether it is a finite or not, doesn't matter. If L2 is pi, because result going to be empty set, right? If I say non-empty, then definitely then L1 can be any set. But third, if you guarantee L1 and L2 are not empty, then definitely both should be finite. Then both L1 and L2 should be finite. Look at, there are 3 conditions, guys. Maybe finite, maybe infinite. If one of them is empty, the whole result is empty. You know pi is a dominator. How many of you know pi is a dominator in the expressions? In the concatenation, while doing concatenation, pi is a dominator always. Pi dot anything is pi. Doesn't matter whether is infinite or not. Look at that. Pi dot a star. Ye pi aaya. It's going to be very special finite set for you. Exactly, Sweta, correct. Understood? There are three cases, guys. If you guarantee that no one is empty set, then definitely both are finite sets. There are three conditions you need to keep in mind. Answer accordingly, guys. Don't say blindly both are finite. Wrong. If you guarantee non-empty set, then definitely both are finite. But if one is empty set, other can be infinite too. So small things we may do mistakes that will cost the marks in the exam. Remember that. Small things only. The 99% correct, but 1% is wrong, then whole question is wrong, whole answering is wrong. So that is how we should be very careful. Even you know 99%, that 1% also can affect your answer. Chalo, next one. Yeah, thank you, Preet. And I always never answer the question directly. I need the concept to answer. That is how I explain, Preet. Because you might assume both statements are right, but same. No, they are not same. Come on, keep going. Thanks so much for appreciation. Recent gate question this year, I think. प्रतीक जल्दी करके गलती करता है यार. Yes, correct, Shubhasri. Just current right. Answer is none of this. Answer is none of this. Answer is none of this. If L1 union L2 is regular, guys, ये क्या दिया? This is given to you. We are not finding. Already दिया हुआ. ये ABC बोल रहा है यार. स्नेहा कहाँ से? Already given to you. L1 union L2 is regular. Guys, look at that. This is given to you. This is given. Now, is that implies L1, L2 are regulars? Look at that. Look at that. I can take L1 is A plus B whole star union A power n, B power n. Still result is regular or not? Look at that. Even I take L1 is non-regular. The result is A plus B whole star. And even I take A power n, B power n union A star, B star. Still it is regular. Result is regular, guys. Look at L1, no need to be regular, guys. L1 can be regular. Look at the two answers we have. L1 can be regular and L1 can be non-regular, and L2 can be regular, L2 can be non-regular. Even both can be non-regular. I can show that. I can show that. A power n. Let me delete one of the option here. I can show that there is one more interesting option for you guys. A power n, B power n. ये तो non-regular है. इसकी complement भी non-regular है. But result तो A plus B whole star है. Even non-regular union non-regular can be regular. Everybody? तो result regular होगा तो L1 union L2 को decide नहीं कर सकता हम. But ये चक्कर में क्या होता है? ये आंसर क्या होना चाहिए? Need not be regular. May or may not be. But ये क्वेश्चन कुछ अलग है. If L1 and L2 are regulars, इसको बोल सकते हैं आप. Then L1 union L2 is dash. This is the different statement for us. Everybody, इसको मान के ऊपर वाला गलत नहीं करना. ये नीचे वाला अलग है या ऊपर वाली अलग है. नीचे वाली हमेशा रेगुलर ही है. Because if L1 is regular, L2 is regular, L1 union L2 हमेशा regular है. Everybody, these three are best examples to remember. This statement can go wrong direction. Yes. Everybody clear? This statement is different. This is, we are using closure properties. Look at the two statements and answer. You should be very careful and never try to answer blindly. क्या गिवन L1 L2 गिवन एज अ रेगुलर देन L1 यूनियन L2 हमेशा रेगुलर है. यस क्लियर. काउंटर एग्जाम्पल इमीडिएटली है एंड विन विच एग्जाम्पल वी से रेगुलर दैट इज ऑल्सो हियर. Right, all right. Those people who are doing the mistake, you are assuming other statement. That's wrong. Let's move on. Come on, guys. Thank you so much for liking the session. Let L be the language accepted by above NFA. हो कुछ भी NFA, DFA दोनों तो NFA बोल सकते हैं DFA को भी. And sigma, remember, just we have 0, don't include 1. Waiting. How many of you can answer this question? Let's see. C. Shubhasri, check. Do you know prefix definition? Pranav, right. D. Oh, you don't know prefix definition. Shubhasri, Pratik, you don't know prefix definition. Looks like. Atul, right. Epsilon missing. ये कौन बोला यार epsilon missing? कहाँ है? Initial state, final state नहीं दिख रहा. This is already a final state. A and B are final state. Epsilon कहाँ मिस हो रहा है? How many of you understood what is L? What is L, guys? Assume L is accepted. Epsilon is accepted and 0 accepted followed by any. Is actually epsilon is there, 0 is there and 000 is there and 0 power 5 is there, 0 power 7, every odd 0. Every odd zeros string is there and including epsilon. Everybody, the language name is epsilon union all odd zeros. Come on, clear? Language is clear. Now prefix of L चाहिए हमको. Prefix of L means, do you have epsilon? Epsilon होगा तो epsilon होगा ना. ये सब में prefix दिखता आपको? Prefix सब में दिखता. Epsilon is a prefix to everybody. Single 0. तो 0 तो string है, itself is a prefix. 00 guys. If you have a 000, prefix epsilon is there, 0 is there, 00 is there, 000. All are prefixes. Prefixes of 000. 00 है and 0 power 3 होगा, 0 power 4, 0 power 5 के अंदर होगा, 0 power 5 already है, 0 power 6, 0 power 7 अंदर होगा. Prefix चाहिए ना guys, which is equal to 0 star, which is equal to 0 star. अरे I was asking about prefix of L. पूरा पढ़ना पड़ेगा लैंग्वेज को, क्वेश्चन को पूरा पढ़ना पड़ेगा, आधा पढ़ के आंसर नहीं करना. None of this C आप इसलिए कर रहा है, मुझे पता है. Everybody, these are the common mistakes. आपको मशीन दिख रहा है, मशीन जो लैंग्वेज है वो दे रहा है, आप आंसर गलत है. मशीन का लैंग्वेज पकड़ लेना, उसका प्रीफिक्स भी लेना है आपको. Everybody, good. So find out that are mistakes we are doing commonly, so try to avoid them. Yes, let's move on. Yeah, Kavita Priya, thank you so much. या इसको एक मिनट, इसको फाइनल स्टेट कैसे फाइंड आउट किया गाइस? कैपिटल ए, ऑल द स्ट्रिंग्स ऑल सेट ए इज एप्सिलॉन, ऑल द स्ट्रिंग्स ऑल सेट बी 0 होगा. इसके बाद 0 के बाद यू कैन रिपीट दिस, मतलब बी पे 0 आएगा, उसके बाद एनी नंबर ऑफ इवन 0 फॉलोड बाय, तो दोनों मिला के ए प्लस बी is nothing but epsilon plus 0 followed by double 0 whole star. That is how I computed the language. The language is equal to A and B represent together is the language. Anyhow, come on, don't disturb the class. Okay, all right. What is the answer? Quick. Yeah, B, B, D, D. Come on. दोनों मिक्स हो रहा है, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता? Okay, let's move on. What is the language? What is the minimum string, guys? Minimum string. Is it accepted ये? पहले ये को कैसे छोड़ोगे? नहीं छोड़ना, नहीं छोड़ना. उसके बाद ये दिख रहा है ना, ये दिख रहा है ना. सिर्फ आप इसको देखकर बोल सकते हैं डबल ए है, ट्रिपल ए है, सब कुछ है. सिर्फ इसी को देखो, ये फॉलोड बाय ए स्टार. रिमेनिंग सारे ट्राइंग टू कंफ्यूज यू बिकॉज इट इज एनएफए गाइस. एनएफए बहुत कंफ्यूज करता. यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट द वैलिड स्ट्रिंग्स विच इज वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. ये बोल रहा है ए, ये कैसे होगा? एप्सिलॉन इज इट एक्सेप्टेड? एप्सिलॉन इज इट एक्सेप्टेड? नहीं होता. इनिशियल स्टेट इज नॉट फाइनल. देयर इज नो एप्सिलॉन मूव टू द फाइनल. मिनिमम ए. आंसर बहुत कम लोग दे रहा है. बी इज द आंसर. बी इज द आंसर. सी नो यूज, नो यूज बिकॉज कैपिटल बी देयर इज अ सेल्फ लूप टू अंडरस्टैंड. ये डी क्या बोल रहा है यार? आपको फाइनल स्टेट नहीं दिख रहा है? अरे ये वो लैंग्वेज नहीं है बाबा तेजास. इनको नॉन फाइनल, ये एनएफए डेफिनेशन मालूम नहीं है. व्हाट इज द वैलिड स्ट्रिंग डेफिनेशन? एटलीस्ट वन पाथ ऑल सेट फाइनल. ऐसे नहीं देखना डीएफए जैसे. एटलीस्ट वन पाथ ऑल सेट फाइनल. अब बोलो गाइस, इज दैट सिंगल ये एक्सेप्टेड? पहले एप्सिलॉन से आएंगे, एप्सिलॉन से आएंगे. इनको दिखाएंगे ये लैंग्वेज क्या होता. पहले इनको दिखाना पड़ेगा. इनको एनएफए डेफिनेशन नहीं आता, कुछ भी कर रहा है. लेट्स ट्राई. इज दैट एप्सिलॉन एक्सेप्टेड? क्यों? देयर इज नो पाथ टू द फाइनल. देयर इज नो पाथ ऑल सेट फाइनल. पाथ तो है, दैट इज कैपिटल ए स्टार्ट्स, कैपिटल ए एंड्स. सो इनवैलिड. सिंगल ए, इज देयर एनी पाथ ऑल सेट फाइनल? गाइस बहुत सारे पाथ्स है. A on A goes to A and A on A goes to B. There are two paths. Is there any path outside final? Yes. Thus B is the final. There is a path. So A is the valid string. And double A. So many paths. So many paths. A on A, A. A on A, A. And A on A, B. And B on A, B. And A on A, B. And B on A, C. And so many paths, so many paths, so many paths. Among this, is there any path that holds at final? Yes, means double A also valid. आप क्या बोल रहे हैं? A followed by double A whole star. इससे double A कहाँ आएगा? नहीं आएगा ना? If it is everybody, if double A doesn't come, how can you sure that double A whole star? ये सोच रहा है कुछ और. आप क्या सोच रहा बताऊं? मैं बताऊं? यहाँ A नहीं है, यहाँ A नहीं है, या A नहीं है, then your answer is right. A followed by double A whole star. Your answer is right now. If you don't have that three self loops, now पक्का ये DFA है. That is right. Everybody, everybody, understand? Have you understood this? Please understand. Please understand. We have some other things are there to confuse us. That is why NFA is so difficult for the people to understand, because multiple paths are there. Among them, one path holds at final. One path, at least one path holds at final. At least one path, that's enough to say valid string. Everybody, have you understood A accepted? Yes, just look at my path, you will understand. Look at this path always. Look at this path. Have you understood A, double A, triple A, everybody there? When everybody there, why are you saying something else? This is equal to A plus. Clear this point? NFA is so difficult for those people who did not understand the definition. Clear? NFA is so dangerous. But I am saying again, this motion, if you have this motion, now इसको बोल सकते हैं A followed by double A whole star. बट दोनों सेम मशीन है क्या गाइस? दोनों सेम मशीन है क्या? नहीं है ना. सो बी केयरफुल व्हाट यू आर लुकिंग एट. ब्लाइंडली कुछ भी नहीं करना. आंसर इज A प्लस. क्लियर. थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट लगता बिकॉज ऑफ NFA. अगर DFA होता था ना आंसर सही है. कम ऑन, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Guys, before going to the next question, let me tell you, if anybody want to take the plus iconic, you know that what kind of questions we practice. But in plus iconic, we have different courses like, complete course, then practice course, then revision course. पता नहीं कितने courses होता है आपके अंदर, आपको A plus के अंदर. There are plenty of courses, and not only me. The TOC taken by so many educators, and everybody is almost good, and you will enjoy a lot learning the subject. That is the benefit of taking the subscription. In case in future if you are taking the subscription, please remember DEVALIVE is my referral code, and you can use anybody referral code. There is no particular restriction. All codes are equal on Unacademy. So these are the benefits that you have. If you want to know about the subscription, we are always there to help you. Okay, next. This is one of the model gate question. Machine is given and they ask what is the language. Come on guys. Oh, please do it. A. Is that A? Good. A. Right answer? Right. So how did you understand? Look at this, guys. This is a very interesting machine. Here there are so many concepts are involved here. Here even zeros are there. Even ones are there. The first state represent, that's a capital A, and when you go 0 to other state and come back on 0, that even become odd zeros, and ones will be same because ones not reflected the count. And if you go 1 and come back on 1, the even ones happens, but here the even zeros only there, but you will have odd ones. It's a very interesting concept which could be repeated in the exam again and again, but different years. And this will be odd zeros and odd ones. And any string all set, the particular state has a meaning, guys. Everybody, any string all set, a particular state, you can see that. And I can make anybody is a final. I can ask the question, what is the language accepted? Everybody, if A is the final, the option A, if A is final. So in case if B is the final, I want all answers, guys. If B is final, not A. If B is only final, then what is the option? That odd zeros and even ones. And option D, if B is the final. Everybody, if C is the final, even zeros, odd ones. Here C is the final. And D is the final, both are odd. Everybody, so if I change the final state, my language also going to change here. Everybody, so in future they might ask any question which can depend on the same data. Right. Clear? Yeah, great. So please practice this. Let's move. And this is a gate question I brought here because some people do not know what is NFA with epsilon moves. I brought here, I explained many times, but still I brought to explain again because you need to have a good practice. And always recommended to go for the diagram because table is difficult to understand. Yes. What is the answer, guys? Now from Q2, by reading A, B, A strings, what are the states we can halt at? Everybody? Okay, let's try. Can you halt at Q naught? One by one you can try. One by one, whatever it is possible. First tell me what you can do. From Q2 on epsilon I can go to Q naught, and on A, first A we require, we'll go to Q1 and then we need a B. If you go to Q3 then you can't read A. So don't go to Q3. So we go to, from Q1 on A, you can go to Q2 and then now we need a B. If you want a B again you need to go to Q naught. So on epsilon you can go to Q naught and from there you can read a B and then you can read A, you can come to Q1. So Q1 is the one answer we got. We got one answer, Q1. If I halt at Q1, can I ensure that Q2 also I can halt? Because यहाँ से epsilon move है. You can go there and you can halt at Q2. Yes or no? And यहाँ भी halt हो सकता. You can halt here. You can halt here. Even Q2, you can go to Q naught by reading epsilon, means without reading anything. You can also halt here. So you can get Q1, Q2, Q0 and Q3 kabhi nahi hota because you need a B to reach there. Everybody, this is one of the important concept where people do not look at what exactly they need. What exactly they need here. Clear? And the answer is Q0, Q1, Q2. Yes. Right? Let's move. Which of the following statement is true? Guys, this is my own frame question. We'll understand what difficulty you have here. Which of the following statement is true? Is or are? Could be both. Preet, little unclear. Oh, great. Please work hard. Means you do not know the definition of NFA with epsilon moves. Preet. Are you talking about question number 13 or 12? देखो कितना आंसर्स है. None of this. ऐसा होता क्या? 12. प्रीत, आपको NFA with epsilon moves पढ़ना पड़ेगा प्रीत. Because the practice, right? Define करना मुश्किल होता है हर क्वेश्चन में. Okay. How many of you know? How many of you know, guys? Every CFL has what? Equivalent CFG. Is that true? Every CFL has equivalent CFG. That's the point, right? But CFG क्या होगा? There are two types of CFGs. If you want CFLs, look at this box. These are all CFLs, guys. All CFLs. There is a special class called as inherently unambiguous CFLs. ये स्पेशल लैंग्वेजेस है इसके अंदर. ये क्या क्लास है? इसके लिए डेफिनेटली व्हाट एग्जिस्ट? डेफिनेटली व्हाट एग्जिस्ट? Unambiguous CFG exists, definitely, but also ambiguous exists. Don't forget that. But remaining CFLs जो भी है, only ambiguous exist. Only ambiguous CFGs. Yes. इनहेरेंटली एम्बिग्वियस बोल सकते हैं उसको. ना इसको देखकर एवरी CFL को तो एम्बिग्वियस लिख सकते हैं ना, और अनएम्बिग्वियस होगा तो भी उसको भी एम्बिग्वियस बना लो चाहिए तो आपको. ऐसा होता है ना गाइस. अगर लैंग्वेज है ये कहाँ रहेगा? इनहेरेंटली अनएम्बिग्वियस में. आई कैन राइट अनएम्बिग्वियस ग्रामर, आई कैन राइट इवन एम्बिग्वियस ग्रामर. इट्स माई चॉइस. इफ यू हैव अनएम्बिग्वियस ग्रामर आई कैन ऑल्सो राइट एम्बिग्वियस. एवरीबडी, ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टेटमेंट है गाइस. ये जल्दी समझ में आता वर्ड. एवरीबडी, आपके पास अनएम्बिग्वियस ग्रामर है, आई कैन हमेशा एम्बिग्वियस लिख सकता हूं. बट एम्बिग्वियस होगा तो अनएम्बिग्वियस यह ऐसे होता. ऑल द CFLs हैव एम्बिग्वियस. ये फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है. एवरी CFL हैज एम्बिग्वियस. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूं एवरी ग्रामर इज एम्बिग्वियस, ये नहीं बोल रहा हूं. एवरी लैंग्वेज हैज एम्बिग्वियस. But can I guarantee every CFL? No. Which one? Only some CFLs. Everybody, some CFLs have unambiguous, but everybody has ambiguous. Two statements you can write here. Every CFL has ambiguous and some CFLs have unambiguous. Everybody, these are called as some CFLs. Some also infinite here, no doubt. So which statement is true? Which statement is true? This is the false and this is the true. Which is always easy? Writing ambiguous grammars are always easy, guys. Okay, first statement is the true. A, option A. How many of you told? Very less. Mahindra, Nishu, Satyajit, very less people. And concept is very interesting because I am talking about the languages, but I am proving with the grammars. Everybody, I am talking about the languages, but I want to understand the grammars. Look at. Every DCFL also has unambiguous, but also has ambiguous. ये भी लिख सकते शुभश्री. DCFL को दो ग्रामर्स होता, ambiguous भी होगा, unambiguous होगा, बट लेकिन ये बोल सकते अनएम्बिगुअस ग्रामर एग्जिस्ट बोलते हैं हम, हमेशा अनएम्बिगुअस ग्रामर नहीं बोलते, बट लैंग्वेज को अनएम्बिगुअस बोलते हैं. क्लियर? या गुड गुड. एक दो दिन बार देख लेना इसी कॉन्सेप्ट को. फर्स्ट टाइम who are looking at it, you might confuse because of languages भी होता ambiguous, grammars भी होता. चलो नेक्स्ट. Same question that you were having earlier, which is very easy to answer, guys. Come on guys, if you are joining just now, please like the session. What's the answer? Come on, waiting for your answer. C. Yeah, good. Any other? C is the answer. Any other? Okay, good, you understood the point. Right. What is the relation between L1 L2? What is the relation between L1 L2? L1 is the strictly subset L2. Great. So when you make L1 union L2, you will get L2, no doubt. That's true. But L1 plus L2 plus क्या difference है? What is L1 plus? Anybody guys? A plus B plus all plus. This is just equal to A plus B whole plus. That is L1 plus. What is L2 plus? A star plus B star whole plus. But thoda one string is differed, that's all. Epsilon extra hoga. Everybody? The L1 plus, L2 plus, just one differed. One string is differed. Great. L1 is strictly subset of L2 and L1 plus also strictly subset of L2 plus. Everybody? Yeah, वो भी relation बन रहा है यहाँ पर, इसलिए ऑप्शन ए ऑप्शन बी डिलीटेड. Waiting for the next answer. Come on. शिवा रैंडमली क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है. एप्सिलॉन प्लस एप्सिलॉन ही होता ना, एप्सिलॉन प्लस एप्सिलॉन ही होता, एप्सिलॉन स्टार एप्सिलॉन ही होता. सी. ओ ग्रेट, इतना जल्दी समझ में आया. सी. So now we have A, this is A plus, this is B plus. Now A plus union B plus all star means this is equal to A union B only, because इसमें भी A है, इसमें B है, and you can get everything. Yes, C is right. Yeah, great. Almost everybody answered correctly. As one like is missing to become 50. Great. Chalo. ये बोल रहा है बी, मीना बी नहीं आता, यूनियन है ना, बी के बाद ए भी आ सकता घुमा के, ये बोलते ए स्टार बी स्टार। गाइस कब होता है ए स्टार बी स्टार? या ए स्टार बी स्टार भी पॉसिबल ही नहीं है। ए डॉट बी भी क्या होता? ए प्लस डॉट बी प्लस होता, ऐसे भी नहीं होता ए स्टार बी स्टार। एवरीबॉडी, ए डॉट बी होता ए प्लस बी प्लस। ग्रेट। एवरीबॉडी, बट ए स्टार बी स्टार पॉसिबल ही नहीं है आने के लिए। क्लियर? एक नया क्वेश्चन बनाया, दिखता है गेट क्वेश्चन जैसे, बट लेकिन ये गेट क्वेश्चन तो नहीं है। लुक एट, रिमेंबर माय स्टेटमेंट, दिखता है गेट क्वेश्चन जैसे, बट एक गेट क्वेश्चन नहीं है। Anybody identified where is the change I made to the gate question? I made the change in the gate question. Let's see who can identify that. I made small change, just one character I have changed. This is not a gate question, modified gate question. Let's see. And in the previous gate question, this was LK is equal to LK plus 1 tha. I made it a new question, that is LK is equal to LK minus 1. Then what will be your answer? तब समझ में आता आप क्या पढ़ते बेसिकली गेट क्वेश्चन के अंदर। या गुड, that is, yeah, 4 people identified, yes. Now tell me the answer. अगर आपको समझ में आया दिस क्वेश्चन इन द प्रीवियस ईयर गेट सॉल्यूशंस, देन लेट मी टेल, प्लीज पोस्ट योर आंसर इमीडिएटली। गुड, 59 likes, you made it. And I told you, it looks like algorithm. It looks like what? Algorithm. But discrete mathematics भी है concept, because of you are using a recursive equation, recurrence relation and TOC motion भी है इसके अंदर. It's a mix of 3 concepts, guys. He has given an algorithm, but he has used recurrence relation on TOC motion. Look at 3 concepts he has mixed to explain one question. हार्डर 2 गलत जसकरण, ये गेट क्वेश्चन नहीं है ना, गेट क्वेश्चन में आंसर 2 है या नहीं है? That's what we do the mistake. Is it 2? That was a gate question, is the 2, not this one. Come on, guys. Okay, can I explain? Because for you looks like difficult, most of you. Okay, what you have to do, guys, you need to start from, पहले read कर लेना guys, पहले read कर लेना. Yes, Nishu is right. Okay, order of language is defined as the smallest k such that LK is equal to LK minus 1. L0 कभी नहीं होता. K can start from 1 because L1 may be possible equal to L0, then answer is K is equal to 1. If not, then you should go for, first we should try this. If not, then second. What is second? L2 is equal to L1. Then होता, ये K is equal 1 होगा, यहाँ पर K is equal 2 होता. Everybody? If not, then go for third check. L3 is equal L2 and यहाँ पर K is equal क्या होता 3 होता. Now we are going to stop here because in this motion this is going to work for the third. Let's look at first what is L1. पहले what is L? What is L? What is L guys? That is in the motion. Just now we have taken the same motion. Epsilon followed by 0 double 0 all star. 8 on L. Now L0 is epsilon. Take it 1. And L1 is equal to, he has given an algorithm. You follow them. L1 is equal to L0 dot L. L0 क्या था? Epsilon. L क्या? पता है आपको already. ऊपर है. तो मतलब L ही आएगा. L ही आएगा. That is epsilon plus 0 followed by double 0 all star. This is the second. Now अब चेक करो. तुरंत आगे मत जाना. Is that L1 equal L0? No. No. Because we want minimum K. So go to the second. Go to the second. Now try L2. L2 is equal, algorithm says that L1 dot L. What is L1? Just now we got L. That is same. Epsilon plus 0 double 0 all star. This is L1. And L also same. And कितने लोग को पता this is equal to 0 star only? Because epsilon भी आएगा, 0 भी आएगा, double 0 आएगा. Everybody? Everyone? Come on, come on, come on. 0 star दिख रहा है नहीं दिख रहा है ये बताओ पहले. बहुत कम लोग को समझ में आता है ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर. Epsilon plus 0 double 0 star whole star. वो सर 0 0 whole star that's all. And यहाँ पे epsilon भी है. 0 चाहिए तो सिंगल 0 है. And डबल 0 चाहिए तो यहाँ 0 है यहाँ 0 है. ये दो भी ला सकते हैं. सिंगल 0 ये भी ले सकते हैं. ट्रिपल 0 एक साइड पे ले लो. 4 zeros सब कुछ है सब कुछ है. देख लेना गाइस सब कुछ है. नाउ अब चेक कर लेना L2 L1 सेम है क्या? नहीं है तो ये भी फेल हो गया. ये भी फेल हो गया. नाउ L3 में चलते. व्हाट इज L3? L2 डॉट L. व्हाट इज L2? 0 स्टार. व्हाट इज L? एप्सिलॉन प्लस 0 डबल 0 ऑल स्टार. ए 0 स्टार ए नहीं. यस अब हो गए L3 इज इक्वल L2 मतलब K इज इक्वल 3 लिखना पड़ेगा हमको. सो ऑर्डर ऑफ L इज 3. अभी L4 में जाना नहीं क्यों? यू नीड टू फाइंड द स्मॉलेस्ट K. यू नीड टू फाइंड द स्मॉलेस्ट K. तो स्मॉलेस्ट K आ गए ना. या LK इज इक्वल LK माइनस 1 वेर K इज 3. Everybody? Clear? Don't go for L4. अगर L4 में गए L5 में भी जाओगे कभी एंड ही नहीं होता. Clear? ये भी गेट क्वेश्चन नहीं है. कंप्लीटली मॉडिफाइड क्वेश्चन गाइस. देखते कितना लोग कर सकते इसको. पहले प्रॉब्लम ही समझ नहीं आता. Whoever do not know prefix suffix, please read them. You may not understand this problem. Note it. Yeah, Shubhasri. All the recurrence relations will be like that. Answer is there in the question only. Only we should look at that properly. Gulati, please rewind the video. You will get to know what I am explaining again. Come on, come on. Which of the following languages is always regular? Language is always regular. Maybe more. Is or are? Which of the following languages is always one or more? Is or are? Oh great Satyajit, इतना जल्दी बहुत जल्दी किया. I expected no one can do that. B देखो स्टार्ट किया आंसर. I am asking about regular. Come on, come on, come on. I am not asking about not regular. ABCD, Shubhasri, Pratik. All agree, sir. Yes, Karan, right? Mahindra, yeah, Nikhil, right? It's defined over one symbol. और language भी दिया. Just not defined over one symbol. Language भी दिया. Language नहीं दिया तो कुछ और होता होगा. Language तो दिया हुआ. You have provided with a language. You have provided with a language. It's not because of one symbol. It's because of the given language. You know already what is L. Option A. L dot L power R. मीन्स उसी स्ट्रिंग को रिवर्स करके कंकैटनेट कर दो. उसी स्ट्रिंग को क्या होता है L डॉट L पावर R. एवरीबॉडी देखना पड़ेगा आपको. एप्सिलॉन होगा उसकी रिवर्सल एप्सिलॉन है. रिवर्सल गाइस ये होगा तो A डॉट A पावर R. अगर डबल ए होगा तो डबल ए पावर R. एंड क्या होगा लैंग्वेज. क्या होगा लैंग्वेज. एप्सिलॉन A स्क्वायर A पावर 4 A पावर 6 A डबल A होल स्टार होता गाइस. फर्स्ट वन इज इक्वल डबल A होल स्टार. A भी रेगुलर है. ऑप्शन A इज रेगुलर. ऑप्शन A इज रेगुलर. ऑप्शन B. ऑप्शन B वही तो है ना. वही तो है ना. वही तो है यार. वही तो है. दैट इज इक्वल टू ऑप्शन A ओनली. ऑप्शन A ओनली. बस W पावर R दे के कंफ्यूज किया आपको. एवरीबॉडी ऑप्शन A एंड B एग्जैक्टली सेम. यहां पे W लिखा तो ये W पावर R ही होंगे. बट ये भी है गाइस. आई एम वेरी सॉरी बिकॉज आई वॉज अज्यूमिंग X पावर R. वेट कभी कभी मैं भी अज्यूम कर लेता हूँ गाइस. सेम अज्यूम करके गलत करता हूँ. बहुत गलत करता हूँ. एक ये तो अजम्पशंस हो गए गाइस. लेफ्ट में देख के राइट साइड पे किया था. सॉरी वेरी सॉरी. चलो एक बार कर लेते हैं. एक्स वाई एक्चुअली आई वॉज अज्यूमिंग सेम. नो एक्स वाई आर डिफरेंट. एवरीबडी एक्स वाई आर डिफरेंट. एवरीबडी देयर इज नो रिलेशन गाइस. फर्स्ट वन कैन बी एप्सिलॉन and y can be anyone. Y can be anyone. Y can be, remember that y is equal y power r over one symbol. तो इसको y belongs to L भी लिख सकते हैं. दिक्कत नहीं है कि y is equal y power r over one symbol. तो epsilon remaining anybody, anyone is fine. You will get A star only. Anybody remaining all, when you do it you will get A star only. Come on. इसका ए डेफिनेशन दिया हुआ है L डॉट L पावर R की. बट रिजल्ट बन रहा है A स्टार. रिजल्ट बन रहा है A स्टार. क्या आज ही बनाए इस क्वेश्चन को. आज ही बनाए इस क्वेश्चन को गाइस. इसलिए मुझे भी दिक्कत हो रहा है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट हु इज दैट. W पावर. अब होता एप्सिलॉन होगा तो उसका रिवर्स ये होता. इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन पहले में दिया था. ये A पावर रिवर्स A ही होंगे. और डबल ए पावर रिवर्स ये होता गाइस. दिस इज इक्वल टू डबल ए होल स्टार. एंड प्रीफिक्स ऑफ L क्या होता. प्रीफिक्स ऑफ A स्टार. ये प्रीफिक्स ऑफ A स्टार इज A स्टार. सफिक्स ऑफ A स्टार वो भी A स्टार है. यहाँ पर ACD एग्जैक्टली सेम है गाइस. इन फ्यूचर दे माइट आस्क ऑप्शन A might be question and option C might be answer, but all are regular. Oh, not all, only option B even length. Remaining all are A star. Right. Look at that guys. It looks like you can do, but if you do only ABC right or BCD right or ACD right, you are wrong. You have to do, it is MSQ possibility. There is a possibility of MSQ. Then you have to choose A, B, C, D. Yes, MSQ, all options are right. And you know that MSQ speciality, either 0 or full marks. Partially नहीं होता, negative marks नहीं होता. Right. आई वॉज थिंकिंग ए एंड बी आर एक्चुअली सेम बट नॉट सेम, थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट डिफरेंस है, ठीक है. Now new question which was modified gate question again. Over one symbol I have taken again. Yeah, let's see who can do this. Which one of the following can be pumping length guaranteed for L? Great. And I'm going to come up with a very important question. Only MSQ questions भी एक दिन आएगा guys. Only MSQs also one day I will come. 30 to 40 questions I will do only MSQs. Six. ऐसे कैसे होता 6? How many of you know pumping length should be greater than or equal to number of states in minimum DFA, minimum finite automata? Everybody knows this principle. Pumping length, that constant must be chosen minimum equal to number of states in minimum DFA. अब find out करो कितना states है. ये नॉन रेगुलर के लिए नहीं कर सकते आप, सिर्फ रेगुलर लैंग्वेजेस के लिए. हाउ मेनी दिस इज इक्वल टू गाइस द लैंग्वेजेस, कितना लोग आइडेंटिफाई किया. दिस इज नथिंग बट 2 + 7k सच दैट k greater than or equal to 0. यही तो है हल. इट मीन्स इट इज डबल ए फॉलोड बाय 7 A's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 होल स्टार. एवरीबॉडी दिस इज द लैंग्वेज. इसके लिए DFA बनाना पड़ेगा, पहले DFA बनाना पड़ेगा इसके लिए. तो पहले मिनिमम स्ट्रिंग कितने हैं? मिनिमम तो डबल ए है, नेक्स्ट a पावर 9 है, नेक्स्ट 14 + 2 16. एवरीबॉडी ये है लैंग्वेज. अब देखते मशीन कैसे दिखता. मशीन कैसे दिखता. मिनिमम 2 A's पहले एक्सेप्ट कर दो. नाउ आफ्टर 7 A's यू शुड कम बैक. यहाँ पे तो 2 A दिख रहा है, तो 5 A एक्स्ट्रा कहीं पर एक्स्ट्रा स्टेट्स ले लेना गाइस. 1 A, 2nd A, 3rd A एंड 4th A, 5th A यू कम बैक एंड 7th A यू विल रीच. यहाँ पर A² आएगा, A पावर 9 भी आओगे, फिर वापस A पावर 16 भी आओगे वापस फाइनल स्टेट में. एंड इफ यू आर इन फाइनल यू कैन एक्सेप्ट योर लैंग्वेज. एवरीबॉडी अरे 9 क्यों जरूरत है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, सिर्फ 7 स्टेट्स. यू कैन टेक द हेल्प ऑफ द प्रीवियस 2 नॉन फाइनल्स. सिर्फ 7 स्टेट्स. दिस इज द मिनिमम DFA गाइस. दिस इज द मिनिमम DFA. यार 2 mod 7 है ना, आपको पता है ना 2 mod 7 7 स्टेट्स है. आई कैन राइट द लैंग्वेज W such that W belongs to A star and I can say that length of W is equal to mod 7. यही तो है यार, इसी को बोल सकते हैं आप. इसके लिए डिविजिबल बाय 7 कॉन्सेप्ट है. रिमाइंडर 2 को फाइनल स्टेट बनाना था बस. 7 स्टेट्स. अब बताओ पंपिंग कांस्टेंट दैट शुड बी ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल 7, दैट इज ओनली 9. मतलब मल्टीपल भी हो सकता. अगर यहाँ 7 भी है, 8 भी है, 10 भी है, सब कुछ करेक्ट है. रिमेंबर दैट मल्टीपल आंसर्स भी हो सकता है यहाँ पर. MSQ भी बन सकता है यहाँ पर. मैं सिर्फ 9 दिया, 9 चूज कर लो. अगर 7 8 9 10 है, सब कुछ चूज करना पड़ेगा. क्लियर? बट 6 नहीं होगा, वो लेस देन 7 है. राइट, क्लियर दिस पॉइंट. चल आगे चलते. Because many people are asking, sir, I don't have the questions in pumping lemma. So let's try. We have the question already in the gate. Yes, minimum pumping length should be 7 exactly. Oh guys, at DCFL ये सिमिलर क्वेश्चन आया था गेट में, बट लेकिन उसको मॉडिफाई करके लाया, कुछ और क्वेश्चन बनाया. एक सिंबल में भी आंसर चेंज होता हूं. इफ आई चेंज इवन वन सिंबल, आंसर चेंज होगा. यहां पर 0 1 कोई भी है. First, and this is the most important question for the exam because of CFL DCFL identification is very important like regulars. चलो देखते ये इसको कौन कर सकते हैं. Waiting for the answers. Right. D is not DCFL. This is not DCFL. A क्यों है? Because you are trying to ask multiple answers. A power n, B power n भी होगा. नहीं तो A power n, B power 3n होगा. Union A power n, B power 5n. Guys, A's को push करूँगा. But B's how to check with A's? We are in confusion. So 3 paths you have to take. ये CFL है. This is CFL, no doubt. This is CFL. This is CFL, no doubt. Right. पहले से आते हैं. Everybody knows. W, you can push. AB push. When ash comes, skip. And W power R, just pop what you have pushed. That's all in the reverse order. This is, everybody knows, famous DCFL. And not regular, we know that. And guys, look at the second problem. This was n greater than or equal 1. That means initially this will come. अगर यहाँ पर 0 होता ना, you don't know directly this will come or this will come. You do not know. Because W के अंदर भी only S होगा. Yes or no? अब clarity है हमको. We have a clarity. A power n, B power n first. A power n, B power n first. हमेशा आएगा. तो फर्स्ट, बिकॉज ये n greater than or equal 1 is the trick. अगर ये 0 होता डेफिनेटली CFL. गाइस रिमेंबर, ये 0 होता डेफिनेटली CFL, बट ये 1 है तो ये DCFL भी हो गया. क्यों? इसको पुश करो. AC आएगा फर्स्ट. When B comes, then pop Ace, whatever it. Then once the stack is empty, यहाँ पर Z naught होता on the stack. Then start push. When ash comes, your job is simple. Then pop. जो push किया ये deterministic हो गया because of only n greater than or equal 1. अगर वह 0 होता वो not DCFL होता था. और C को समझना भी मुश्किल है. क्यों ऐसे क्वेश्चन बनाया आज? ये पावर n को ये लिख सकते हैं आप. क्यों? रिमेनिंग सारे बेस उसी में मिक्स कर सकते हैं आप. Just is you can make that problem, guys. You can make a very simple problem. Look at that. Remaining A's you can assume W now. I have another way to represent the same language. वो remaining A's को आप मान सकते हैं. You have it in W. At least 1 year guaranteed. दूसरा नाम है इसकी C. Now ये को skip भी कर सकते, push करना जरूरत नहीं. W can take care of the push. And whatever you pushed, and definitely you will pop. but at the end guarantee extra B is there. That's all. Everybody, you can do that deterministically. AB DCFL. And look at the concept, guys. This was based on the previous gate model, but that question was a CFL. I made changes in the options and question. I made not DCFL. Not CFL को not DCFL बनाया. Everybody, and please practice this. A, B, C, all are DCFLs. Yeah. Everyone? Yeah. Actually, ash नहीं था. मैं ash लगा के DCFL बनाया बस. Oh, this is also interesting question for countability. Find out quick. Now the last question today, guys. Last question today. Come on, सब सेम दिखता है पर लेकिन कॉन्सेप्ट अलग है. सेट ऑफ ऑल रेगुलर लैंग्वेजेस. सेट ऑफ ऑल लैंग्वेजेस, इसको दूसरा नाम है गाइस. इसका नाम है 2 power sigma star, where sigma is 0,1. What is it? Yeah, most of you are right. S1 and S4 are countable. Set of all regulars countable. Every regular we can show some mapping to the DFA, and all finite languages are countable, and languages 2 power sigma star is uncountable because there is no way to enumerate. And set of all non-regular languages, इसमें not RELs भी होंगे. A भी uncountable, guys. Right? Yeah, D is the right answer. D is the right answer. Right. I hope you have enjoyed this session, and I'll be bringing a similar sessions more in coming days. But please like this session, and also if you want to attend any other classes that I am taking on Unacademy free classes, you can attend like 8 AM, 2 PM and 3:15, and tomorrow I will come to YouTube at 4:30 because tomorrow we don't have in the evening class, guys. 4:30 I will come to the TOC GATE PYQ series. Okay, already 4-5 sessions are over, and remaining sessions if you want to attend, you can meet me tomorrow on Unacademy too. Yeah, I remember the timings: 8 AM and 2 PM, 3:15 and 4:30, 6 PM. And you can follow me if you are coming to this channel first time. You can visit unacademy.com/DevaGateCSE. In case if you need my referral code, you can use DEVALIVE to unlock the free plan. And this is our Telegram channel where every day we share the links, including me, other educators who are teaching on this platform. You will get links every day and including material. And we have so many YouTube channels which are absolutely free, and top educators of India are coming to teach here. If you have any friends, you can share here. And thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Kavita Priya. Thank you so much. Nikhil, thank you. कल 4:30 पे महिंद्रा गेट PYQs. कल प्लस है ना, शुभश्री है. प्लस का नहीं दिखा रहा हूँ, फ्री क्लासेस की दिखा रहा हूँ यार. 11 AM we have plus. वो तो रहेगा ना. If not, I will mention. No? We have. Come on. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow 4:30 PM on YouTube, and remaining sessions are on Unacademy. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.